Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that can have a significant impact on your financial health. Improving your credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better loan rates, credit card offers, and even job opportunities. So let's dive into some practical tips to help you boost your credit score. Tip 1. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is the most significant factor in your credit score, making up about 35% of it. Late or missed payments can have a big negative impact. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Consistently paying your bills on time shows lenders that you are reliable and responsible. Tip 2. Reduce your credit card balances. Your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit, makes up 30% of your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Paying down your balances can quickly improve your credit score by lowering your credit utilization. Tip 3. Avoid opening new credit accounts unnecessarily. Each time you apply for new credit, a hard inquiry is made on your credit report, which can slightly lower your score. Additionally, opening multiple new accounts in a short period can make you appear risky to lenders. Be strategic about when and why you apply for new credit to avoid unnecessary hits to your score. Tip 4. Keep old accounts open. The length of your credit history accounts for 15% of your credit score. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history and negatively impact your score. If the account has a good history, keep it open and use it occasionally. Keeping your oldest accounts open helps to maintain a longer positive credit history. Tip 5. Diversify your credit mix. Having a variety of credit types, such as credit cards, installment loans, and mortgages, can positively impact your credit score. Your credit mix makes up about 10% of your score. Diversifying your credit mix shows lenders that you can manage different types of credit responsibly. Tip 6. Regularly check your credit reports. Obtain free copies of your credit reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion at least once a year through annualcreditreport.com. Look for any errors or discrepancies and dispute them immediately. Regularly monitoring your credit reports ensures that your score accurately reflects your financial behavior. Improving your credit score takes time and consistent effort, but the benefits are well worth it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your credit and finances. See you next time.